we had to wait a few hours. Then they had me a load picking up in Oakland, Mississippi. That's where we're at right now. There's a truck beside me here at the shipper. Picking this load up, taking it to San Antonio, Texas. About ate all my time up today. Supposed to deliver 7:30 in the morning on Friday. We'll see how we can get that worked out. But anyway, guys, this was a 120 something mile deadhead, and then a 771 mile loaded miles. So stay tuned. He brings his toy to play. What's up, guys? Well, we got that delivery done. Now we're on to Laredo, Texas. Remember to like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Rubber Raw.